Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today I will make tutorial how to create a partition on an SSD hard drive simply and effectively. A new SSD hard drive. When mounted on a PC and have not created a partition, it will not show up in Windows. To use the drive, we proceed to partition according to the following steps. Step 1. Start the software specifically for the hard drive partition. Here I use EasyUS Partition Master. We open it as administrator. Next step. We click on Go to Main Screen to enter the main interface. And we see Disk 3 as the partition that has not been created yet. Now, we right-click and choose Create Partition.